Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile, if you are facing any issue with your touch screen, so in this video I am going to tell you 2-3 things you need to do, and you will see the great amount of improvement in your touch screen performance. Your touch screen will be much smoother than the previous ones. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel. The very first thing what you need to do, first I will turn off the flight mode. You may be in normal mode, but I was in flight mode, so I turned it off. Then I will go into the settings, and in settings I will go to the display, and here in display go below touch sensitivity. Increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. If you have used screen protector or not, just turn it on. It will increase the sensitivity of your touch screen. Then accidental touch protection, this should be on also. This will protect your phone from an accidental touches when it is in dark place, such as in a pocket or in a bag. So these two settings must be on. These were the first thing. And then second, go to the Play Store. In Play Store, search for touch screen dead pixel repair. Touch screen dead pixel repair. Just search it. You will find the first. Just I have already installed it, so open is coming in your mobile. Just install this app from Google Play Store. Now I will open it. So as soon as you will open it, after installation, this window will come. Just start it. Now this will go, and it will go horizontally, and if any dead pixel is there, it will automatically stop there, and it will turn to red. In my mobile, no dead pixel were found. So it is telling me that I have run it as just before experimenting, just before telling to you. So it is telling me you don't need to run every day. Do it once in 2 weeks. That is good enough. And after that, just restart your phone. And after restarting, you will feel the difference. So just do the first settings. I will just recall it. Just go to the setting, go to the display, turn on the both setting, touch sensitivity and this accidental touch protection, and then go to the Play Store, search for touch screen dead pixel repair, install it, open it, then start. It will find any dead pixel, it will repair it, then restart. This is all what you need to do. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. That's all. Thank you very much.